my name is Alex Cecilio. I'm a graphic artist, and I'm going to show you how to make glowing Nazca lines in Photoshop. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to make sure this is what your image looks like, completely transparent and just a line weight. And then from there, you're going to, on each one, you're going to just go down to, in your layers, you've got this FX button. You're going to want to do color overlay. And this is going to make it so that the color of your line is different. So I want like a really bright blue color. I'm actually going to copy the color name and say OK. And I'm going to do the same thing here. Color overlay. And then I'm going to paste the number in there so they're the same color. So then I'm going to go ahead and make these editable, because you can edit them, but it's going to mess it up if you do. So just right click and select Convert to Smart Object. And this is going to make your layer flat but also locked. So then you're going to hold Control again or right click, and then you're going to select Rasterize Layer. And do this for both, or however many you have. So now we've got our colored lines. So then I'm just going to drag them over to my next palette, or my next page, which is where the glowing lines are going to be. So here we've got them, but they're not really glowing yet. So I'm going to go ahead and merge these. You can either hold Shift and select both layers, right click and select Merge Layers, or you can select the top layer, right click and select Merge Down, which is what I always do. And then after that, like I said, still not really glowing yet. So I'm going to go down to FX where I did the color overlay, and I'm going to do outer glow. And this is going to give me a glowing effect on my lines. And I'm going to use a really light blue. I'm going to select normal and then 100%. You can actually, yeah, make it more like 86%. And then you can mess around with how far out it spreads. You don't want it too far, because then it'll just look ridiculous. There we go. And there you've got your glowing Nazca lines. My name is Alex, and this is how you make glowing Nazca lines in Photoshop. Thank you.